Hello everyone, it's Juan with West Texas Strength. Today we're going to be demoing a few pieces of equipment, or just a piece of equipment. Today we have our T-bar hyperextension combo from Texas Strength Systems. This is one of my favorite pieces of equipment. So we have the T-bar that's going to have a fully adjustable pad to be customized to your height, and we have a fully adjustable pad here, so it goes up and down. Works really well for the smaller females. Usually when you go into your to other gyms, you actually have a hyperextension machine that's separate. You tend to have issues, or women will tend to have issues since they're generally smaller, is the pad doesn't sit right, and then also feet don't actually touch the platform itself. The other thing we'll highlight, if you'll see at the very far back here, is this pad here actually doesn't support around the heels. It's more on the higher portion of the calf, so we can actually get more support that way as well. So with your T-bar, just like any other T-bar as well, you'll just jump in. We'll grab the handle. So here we're going to demonstrate with the neutral grip, so just hands facing each other, and we're going to row here. So this will help us with our upper back development. This is a good piece of equipment for someone who tends to do a lot of main movements, squatting, deadlifting, things like that. You can add this into your arsenal of exercises to relieve some of the lower back. The second part movement which we'll have is our hyperextension, which I'll cover here in a second. Is something that you can actually add to help with improving strength in the lower back, posterior, so your glutes and hamstrings, and still give you an opportunity to load the movement instead of having to revert to holding a plate out in front of you, so which is really great, and I'll show that here in a second. The other cool thing is with our T-bar is these are actually, you can see these rotate, so you can change positions. Here, there's actually going to be holes, so these are adjustable to the left and right, and then also our positioning changes up and down. So we have a lot of room for different sizes and different areas that you want to target. Now we're going to move over to the hyperextension. So we'll just remove the pins here. I'm going to go ahead and just lower this just to demonstrate. There we go. And so what we'll do, I just like to move this off to the side. Here, and now you have a setup for a hyperextension. So we'll go here, here. So now a couple things you can do. Some individuals have grabbed this here and they've put it out wider, and you use this. I typically like to use a loaded barbell. So what we will do is, and I'll grab a barbell really quickly. Usually we'll start this from the floor. So here. Here. Now usually you'll have the height of the plates to avoid any issues with this actually touching, or also, like I said again, pointing it off to a different direction. Some individuals, if this does bother you quite a bit, is we can actually take this off really quickly. It takes about 30 seconds or so, and we just put it off to the side again. So this gives you a lot of versatility in your pieces of equipment. Again, with our stuff, of course we have open area. We also have limited space, so we did like to choose, or we chose equipment that gives us bang for our buck. If y'all guys have any questions about our equipment, interested, just give us a holler. Go on our Facebook, Instagram. Thanks, guys.